I'm a little closer. It's hanging way out. But I put some straps through the these holes are for the nuts, bolts and nuts to rest in, and I'm using those currently to put these straps through so I can hold it in place. I think I'm just about there, but obviously because this is shorter, I gotta do something else. But I think I'm just gonna take a couple 2x4s and just put them up against here and just kind of lever it out, or however you want to say that, to lift the back up, get it so I can get it lined up without having to hold it in place while I'm doing it. But yeah, so we'll see how that goes.